Hi everyone, I'm Echo here, and for today's video, we will unbox one of the most popular tablets from VEIKK, the VEIKK S640 Pen Tablet. Before I proceed with the unboxing, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga art videos ko. Let us now proceed with the unboxing. So again guys, for today's video, we will unbox the most popular tablet from VEIKK and also one of the cheapest tablet that I encountered in the market. So that tablet is the VEIKK S640 Pen Tablet. So the tablet safely arrived with its box, and on the side here it says "Free Your Mind." On the other side, it's the VEIKK logo. So because of this box, the tablet arrived safely and secured, and also once it arrived, it also comes with a bubble wrap. So once we open the box, we already have here the VEIKK S640 tablet, or we can already see the tablet, and it's covered in plastic. So let's just open the other box here to get the attached cable. We have here the VEIKK S640 tablet. You can see the logo, and also you can see how smooth the texture of the tablet. Let us now see the other inclusions or other accessories of the tablet. So we have here the pen. We have here the driver download, a card. We also got some OTGs, one for micro USB and Type-C. We also get an extra nib and a nib remover. And we also get a free drawing glove. And then the quick start guide. So let us now talk about the other features of the tablet. So we have here the pen. The pen has an 8192 pressure sensitivity level. It is also battery free and includes 2 buttons used for shortcuts for drawing. Now we have here the OTGs, one for micro USB and one for Type-C. So meaning to say we can connect the tablet to our phones, to our Android phones or Android devices, except Samsung. Next, we have here the nibs. So one good thing I really like about VEIKK is that they really include a lot of extra nibs for the users, so you don't need to worry about your pen's nib because you have a lot of extra nibs for your pen. And as for the VEIKK S640 tablet, it has a 6x4" working area. It is not that big and not that small, but it has enough space for our drawing. And as for the cable is already attached on the tablet, so you don't need to worry about misplacing or losing it. So before using the tablet or plugging in the tablet, make sure you download VEIKK's driver from their official website. Just go to your browser and search veikk.com and then go to support and click download. So once we click download, all we need to do is search for the model of our tablet. So we have the S640, and then just click submit, and then on the bottom part you will have there the available drivers to a specific device. So we have here Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and other driver for other devices. And as for me, I use Windows, so I will be downloading the Windows driver. Now that I downloaded the driver, all we need to do is plug in the tablet. So I will be plugging in the VEIKK S640 tablet on my laptop, and as you can see, there's a light glowing that indicates that the tablet is already connected. Quick preview of the VEIKK driver, and as you can see, it indicates their S640, and within the driver you can change the pressure sensitivity of your pen by adjusting it, and also you can change the functions of the buttons. And as per the mapping, we have here the modes, so it's up to you for pen or mouse. And one good thing I like about VEIKK tablets is that it supports left-handed users. So in my case, I'm a right-handed user, that's why I have the right-hand mode. But if you are a left-handed user, you have your options, so there's a left-hand mode. So here's a quick drawing guys while using the VEIKK S640 tablet, and I will be sharing with you my thoughts and experience as I use this tablet. To be honest with you guys, I was really amazed by this tablet even though it has an affordable or cheap price, because as I use this tablet for drawing, it has a smooth interface and also a smooth texture. Now while doing this artwork, I experience a smooth feeling while drawing. As I used this tablet, I didn't encounter any lags or delays, which is a good thing because even though it has an affordable or cheap price, it still gives an amazing and good performance. And as for the pressure level of the pen, it has a nice pressure sensitivity which works fine and also helpful for my drawing, shading, and other stuff for digital art. And the tablet also has a supports tilt function, which is helpful to have a better experience for drawing. With my overall experience, I find this tablet totally amazing and worth buying, even though it has an affordable or cheap price, and I highly recommend it for beginners in digital art. You cannot just use it for your laptop or your PC. There's another option. You can also use it for your mobile phones if you are uncomfortable or new when it comes to using a pen tablet on your laptops. So for me, I find this tablet totally worth buying, and it is totally worth it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested with the tablet, it is available on VEIKK's official store on Lazada, or I will be putting the link on the description box. Again, thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!